Today I'd like to show you the Smartgen 4010 controller. This is a controller we use in this generator. This is your home screen. These are up-down arrows. This is a menu button. Press the menu, gets into parameters, information, change the language, event log and maintenance timers. To get back, just push stop, gets you back to the home screen. By pressing that up arrow once, gets you to shut down alarms and warnings. Up again, shows you the statistics of starts, run hours, energy produced. Up again, shows you RPM and your battery voltage and when the engine's running, what the battery voltage is being fed. This is a time and date stamp. If we go up again, shows you amps and kilowatts, which is also on the home screen. Up again, shows you AC voltage output and hertz output back to the home screen. There is 3 modes: your stop mode, which is displayed here, auto mode for remote start, manual mode is for if you want to push the green start button. Thank you for watching. Any queries, please send us an email. Thank you very much.